Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your session and making sure you can access the account you want to leave. Save open documents and close apps so nothing is lost. Once done, click the system tray in the lower right, choose your account icon, then select Sign Out or Lock Screen. Doing this ensures Chrome OS returns to the login screen where you can add or switch accounts. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected so added accounts can verify quickly when you continue. Now you'll switch or add the account you want to use. On the login screen, either click an already listed user to switch or pick Add Person to sign in with a different Google account. Enter the email and password and follow any two-step verification prompts. This verifies it is you. If the Chromebook is managed by a school or workplace, make sure you use your organization credentials because guest or personal accounts may be restricted. Wait for Profile Sync to finish before proceeding. Finish by checking that your new account synced bookmarks, extensions, and settings. Open Settings View and confirm sync is on. If you no longer need the previous account, go to Settings People Manage Other Users and remove it to free space. If you hit problems, first verify Wi-Fi, then retype your password and use account recovery if required. Sometimes a quick reboot resolves authentication glitches. If this is a managed device, contact your admin because policies can block account changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.